Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime box. I'm thinking it shipped out of Indianapolis. I live in South Bend, so it's 2.5, 3 hours away. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or any of the products herein, but I wish I was. Got some of this good stuff right here. First up, we've got some EmergenC cherry. I'm a cherryaholic. If you have a cherry product you want me to do a review of or send whatever, let me know. I just love cherry. There's a lot of different EmergenC flavors, but I opted for cherry. Next up, we've got some Jelly Belly. I like jelly beans, but I'm going to be honest with you. I thought I ordered the sugar-free. My bad. So I'm going to be re-gifting these and giving these as some gifts. Is that bad? I don't know. But I wanted the sugar-free. It's my own fault. Next up, as you can see, I've got a beard. This is Decorum brand beard oil. It's mint. It smells really, really good. Decorum or another brand, you want to sponsor me, let me know. Next up, we've got Blue Diamond brand Sweet Thai chili. These are almonds. They're delicious. They have a nice little kick to them. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have a favorite healthy snack? Leave a comment below. And last but not least in this video, unfortunately, I ordered a case of Premier Protein Caramel. Fortunately, the case is kind of broken in here. You can kind of hear it, but you can see the case is right there. I think you trust me. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can go to Cash App and Cash App me at London Hawthorne. If you like cool t-shirts, go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com.